Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of DIY Science Projects. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own electroscope at home. This is a fantastic project that's not only fun, but also educational. It's a simple and fun project that'll help you understand static electricity in a cool, hands-on way. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends and family with your science skills. Let's get started. Alright, first up, let's gather our materials. You're gonna need an empty glass jar, a piece of aluminum foil, a paper clip, a piece of cardboard, and some tape. Got all that? Awesome. These are all common household items, so you should have no trouble finding them. Step 1, take your cardboard and cut out a small circle to fit snugly over the mouth of your jar. Make sure it's a perfect fit to avoid any gaps. This will act as the lid. It's important that it fits well to keep everything in place. Now poke a small hole in the center of the cardboard. This hole will be for the paper clip to go through. Next, grab your paper clip and straighten it out. This will be the main conductor for our electroscope. Then, bend one end into a small hook. This hook will hold the aluminum foil leaves. This is where the magic happens. The hook will allow the aluminum foil leaves to react to static electricity. Insert the straight end through the hole in your cardboard lid, leaving the hook part inside the jar. Make sure it's secure. Now let's move on to the aluminum foil. This is a crucial part of our electroscope. Cut 2 small strips, about 1 inch wide and a few inches long. These strips will act as the leaves of our electroscope. These will be our leaves. They need to be lightweight and able to move freely. Fold each strip in half and then hang them on the hook inside the jar. Make sure they're balanced and can move easily. Make sure they're hanging freely and not touching the sides of the jar. This is important for the electroscope to work correctly. Once that's done, secure the cardboard lid to the jar with some tape, making sure the paper clip stays in place. This will keep everything stable. And there you have it, folks. Your very own homemade electroscope. It's ready to detect static electricity. But hold up, we're not done yet. Let's test it out. This is the fun part where we see our electroscope in action. Grab a balloon and rub it on your hair or a wool sweater to create some static electricity. This will generate the charge we need. Now bring the balloon close to the paper clip sticking out of the top of your jar. Watch closely for any movement. Watch closely as the aluminum foil leaves inside the jar react to the static charge. This is the moment of truth. See how they spread apart? This is a clear indication that static electricity is at work. That's because the static electricity from the balloon is transferring to the electroscope, causing the leaves to repel each other. This is a great demonstration of how like charges repel. You've just witnessed static electricity in action. Isn't it amazing how simple materials can demonstrate such a fascinating concept? So, next time you need a cool science project or just want to impress your friends, remember this simple electroscope. It's a great conversation starter and a fun way to learn. It's a great way to learn about the wonders of electricity right at home. Plus, it's a fantastic way to get hands-on experience with scientific principles. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun science projects. See you next time. Keep experimenting and stay curious.